Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic about DRDO. Student, you know, DRDO is the acronym of Defense Research and Development Organization. It is an Indian organization which is responsible for military research and development. The main aim of DRDO is to design, develop and lead to production state-of-the-art sensor, weapon system, platform and allied equipment for our defense service. Provide technological solution to the defense services to optimize combat effectiveness and to promote well-being of the troops. Develop infrastructure and committed quality manpower and build a strong technology base. The DRDO was formed in 1958 by merging the technical development establishment of the Indian Army and the Director of Technical Development and Production with the Defense Science Organization. It is administered by the Ministry of Defense, Government of India. Thus, the Defense Minister of India is the head of DRDO. It has its headquarters at DRDO Bhavan in New Delhi. So, student, who is this? Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister of India. And so, student, this one is the DRDO Bhavan, DRDO headquarters, New Delhi. Student, the DRDO employs over 30,000 employees, out of which 5,000 are scientists and the remaining 25,000 are other scientific, technical and supporting personnel. It is one of India's largest and most diverse research organization. 52 laboratories across the country are engaged in developing defense technologies which cover varied areas like aeronautics, armaments, electronics, combat vehicles, engineering system, instrumentation, missile, advanced computing and simulation, special material, naval system, life sciences, training, information system and agriculture. The first surface-to-air missile program of DRDO was called Project Indigo. It was under an Indo-Swiss agreement to develop intermediate range surface-to-air missile, which was started by India in 1962. In 1983, the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program was launched by the Minister of Defense for the research and development of the comprehensive range of missiles. During 1980, under the leadership of Dr. Abdul Kalam, DRDO successfully developed missiles like Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag indigenously. After that, Divya Chakchu, which means divine eye, is a through barrier imaging radar developed by DRDO and is capable of scanning through wall with up to 20 to 30 centimeter thickness. It is now being used by the Indian Armed Forces in hostage rescue operation. In 2015, J. Manjula was appointed as the first woman Director General of the Defense Research and Development Organization, Electronics and Communication System, one of the 7 main clusters of DRDO. Bhut Jolokia is one of the hottest chilies in the world and is found growing in Assam in India. It was used in a chili grenade made by DRDO. It is a non-toxic weapon and when used can force a terrorist to come out of his hiding. Its effect is pungent and may literally choke a person. Next one, the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, jointly developed by India's DRDO and Russia NPOM, is the world's fastest cruise missile. Thanks to DRDO, India is the only country in the world with supersonic cruise missile in their army, navy, and air force. 16. These are the figure of BrahMos cruise missile. Okay. 16. After that, now I am going to start lesson 42, technical terms. Friend, a number of technical terms are given below. Read the statement and try to identify each term. 16. When an electronic device is receiving power but is not running, it is in the mode. For example, a television is in this mode when it is plugged in but turned off. In such a situation, the television can be started again with the help of a remote control. This mode is to sleep while referring to computer. The computer use very little power in this mode. You understand what it is? Is the standby. Okay. Next one. It is sometimes called all. It is the ability of a computer to act like a human being. It is most commonly used in video game where the computer is made to act as another player. If all is very good, a game might be impossible to hit. 16. What is this? Artificial intelligence. 16. Next one. It refers to technologies used to detect and recognize human physical characteristics. It is used in computer science as a form of identification and access control. It is also used to identify individuals in groups that are under surveillance. You understand? Biometric. This term is used to describe a preset value for some option in a computer program. It is the value used when a setting has not been specified by the user. You understand? This is default. Did you understand? Wi-Fi refer to wireless communication system using light as a carrier instead of traditional radio frequency as in case of Wi-Fi. This name combines the term iPod and broadcast into a single catchy word. As the same name suggests, it is audio and video broadcast that can be played on an iPod. Okay, student. See, 6.1. It is the use of computing resources such as hardware and software. These computing resources are delivered as a service over a network, which is typically known as the Internet. It can be said that it is the next stage in the Internet evolution. You understand what it is? It is the cloud computing. It is a model of network online storage where data are stored in pools of storage which are generally hosted by various companies. Hosting companies operate large data centers and people who require their data to be hosted by or less storage capacity from them. You understand what it is? It is the cloud storage. Next understand? It refers to wireless networking technology that allows computer and other devices to communicate over a wireless signal. It is short for wireless fidelity. Wyse Hayes is often considered the father of this technology. You understand what it is? It is the Wi-Fi. So student, now I am going to teach next lesson, Ayurveda, Science of Life. Student, you know, Ayurveda literally means the science of life. Ayur means life, Veda means science. It is an ancient science which was developed in India thousands of years ago. Ayurveda developed and evolved into what it is today from several ancient territories, most notably Atharvaveda, which date back to 5,000 years. The ancient Vedic literature by sage has clearly laid out instruction to maintain health as well as fighting illness through their pious message, herbal medicine, diet control and exercise. See, Ayurveda, Ayu plus Veda. Ayu means time from birth to death. Veda means knowledge or learning. Ayurveda is the two part. One is the Swasthya Vedram, means preventive measure and health care. And next one is the Atharvaveda, means curative measures. See, stand this figure is the Dhanvantari, the god of Ayurveda. See, stand. In classical Sanskrit literature, Ayurveda was called the science of 8 components. As Songa, Ayurveda states that a balance of the 3 element substance, the dosas equal health, while imbalance equal diseases. There are 3 dosas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. 16. Vata is the headache, dry skin, constipation, nervous anxiety, hypersensitivity, anosmia and premature going aging. Pitta means ulcer, fever, aching, acidity, agitation, anger, burn easily. Assistant Kapha, respiratory elements, weight gain, fluid retention, allergies, mucus and congestion. Assistant, in Ayurvedic theory, there are 20 qualities or characteristics which are inherent in all substances. They can be arranged in 10 pairs of antonyms: heavy, light, cold, hot, unctuous, dry, dull, sharp, stable, mobile, soft, hard, non-slimy, slimy, smooth, coarse, minute, gross and viscous liquid. See, Ayurvedic doctor regard physical and mental essence as well as personality as a unit, each element having the capacity to influence the other. One of the fundamental aspects of Ayurvedic medicine is to take this holistic approach into account during diagnosis and therapy. Ayurvedic medicine use a variety of products and practices. Ayurvedic product can be made either or herb only or a combination of herb, metals, minerals or other material in an Ayurvedic practice called Rasa Shastra. According to some experts, the cleansing practice known as Panchakarma is a therapeutic way of eliminating toxic elements from the body. Panchakarma include Vamna, Vrihana, Basti, Nasya and Rakat Makasana. Panchakarma is preceded by Purva Karma and is followed by Pakshat Karma and Pedi Karma. Did you know the International Day of Yoga is celebrated annually on 21st June since its inception in 2015. Yoga can contribute in a holistic way to achieving an equilibrium between mind and body. It is believed that this approach to health and well-being can make a direct and useful contribution to humankind quest to achieve sustainable development and move toward lifestyle that are in harmony with nature. Okay, student. So these are the 3 lessons. So next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.